My name is Hannah Walters. I'm a ceramic artist based in Cardiff. My work is heavily inspired by time spent working in my family's antique centre. It's developed for me a real interest in objects and how they are made. My work often includes the technique of sprigging. It's a traditional technique that's been championed by Wedgwood on their Jasperware pieces. I've developed this overgrown aesthetic, sprigs piled one on top of the other, as if they're growing over the surface of the pot. Lids and handles that would have once been functional become unfunctional. I aim to make contemporary antiques, objects tied to both the past and present.